So today, guys, we are going to West Coast Customs.
Wait a second. Who are you? You gotta introduce yourself first, like, hey, I'm Jeremy from Weldtech Designs, and
I'm Kaden from Growing Up Garage.
okay, good. Now you can tell where we're headed. Where are we going today?
So we're going to West Coast Customs to drop off a bumper and this lift for Nick Cannon's van.
Dude, killed it. I got nothing else to say, but I guess today's a road trip day. We are headed to the world famous West Coast Customs to deliver some awesome Weldtech goodies, which include a 5-inch suspension lift for a Chevy Express van and a killer aluminum front bumper. So we're gonna head up there and go deliver some parts, have some fun, check out what they got going on, right? Let's go. Yeah.
Jeremy, what's happening, my man?
What's happening?
How you doing?
Good, nice to see you.
Thanks for making the truck down to us.
So this is our crazy van, and now we're ready to make your van just as crazy.
Excellent. Well, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for these, you know, custom, unique fitments that no one else is really willing to tackle. It looks like you nailed it on the head, right?
And that's what's going to be great about this is when we're all done, it's going to have the same sort of lift as what is on here. So it's going to sit really nice when we're all done with it. So when you guys are done with it, with all of the suspension on the front and back, and then put that front bumper on there, it's just going to look killer. So where do you want us to unload at?
Show me a little bit about your truck.
Okay, so what this started off is a 2016 Chevy Express 2-wheel drive. We did a 4-wheel drive conversion on this. We've completely converted the front end, box lower control arms, billet upper control arms, full coilover suspension on the front of it. And then in the rear, we did custom leaf springs. This thing has 24 inches of articulation, so it's not just the mall crawler. Like, you could actually use this thing off-road and have a good time. But what the best part about it is I got 4 kids, so it's the seating inside it. All luxury seating for all the little monsters inside. But then as you see, like, full roof rack on it, ladder. That's where Kaden, where's your favorite spot to hang out on this thing? Yeah, he's always climbing up there on the roof rack. So this is Kaden from Growing Up Garage. Always at the shop. He always usually says he's the boss. So we gotta listen to what he says. No?
So it looks cool and it's functional.
It is. It's totally functional.
Okay.
It's I mean, and you can tell by how much we've torn these Toyo tires up in the rear, just from this thing getting so articulated that the tires had nowhere to go. But so now we gotta do more fun stuff like that.
Cool.
Have a good time. We'll see how giant this is. I mean, we had to like take out a seat just in order for it to fit in here. But this is it. And then all wood flooring in here.
Very cool.
All on track, so then that way it's all fully adjustable. All the seats modular inside here, which is really cool.
Excellent.
What's that, little man? Oh, it'll stay open. And this is the trick thing right here. If you guys don't know, do you know that the doors open more than 90 on your van? Have you messed with that at all?
I don't think we've tackled that yet.
So this is the trick thing. If you close the door and pull the lever, the door will open all the way. So one thing definitely to share with your customers who have it, because a lot of times that's frustrating. You're like, dude, my door doesn't open all the way. I need more.
Yep.
So that's gonna be for the front.
Okay.
But now let's check out how we're gonna make this thing sit so nice.
Yep.
And you slide that out of the way. So those are the 3-inch lift spindles right there. That's what's gonna give it half of its height right there. in order to clear the bigger tires. So awesome part, all chromoly, all TIG welded. Things are a beast. And then also finish it off, we're gonna do Fox shocks all 4 corners, which is gonna be awesome. We'll let him carry the bumper. He can probably handle that on your own.
I'm gonna go one step further and I'm gonna meet you around back. So
all right, perfect. Sounds good, let's do it.
Let's see you guys over there. Put them right next to those spacers, would you?
Oh, it's not that bad.
No.
I thought it was
That
gonna
means
be
it's
like,
well constructed.
I thought it was gonna be like death to smooch.
Yep.
And then these are gonna be the big bolts. It'll all drop through on the front. And then these are all the hardware. So if you're really gonna get carried away, so these are the big bolts that we run on this. And it's because we're using the existing hole. So same thing. You're gonna open up the hole a little bit. And I mean now, so if you are using it with the winch in there, I mean,
It's not going anywhere.
you're not gonna break these bolts, you know? But that's the biggest thing is how it all slides together. They
You
go
got
on
this?
the front.
Yeah, this right here, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, you break that, you broke the whole van. Like you got bigger problems now. But so it's gonna, you'll hear it click back in.
Yeah, right there.
So now it's not gonna open all the way. So now get it to about there. Now pull that little latch.
Where's the latch?
This right here. So you're see, watch.
I'll just
So
pull it
once you,
towards
yeah, pull it towards you.
Okay, okay.
Boom. Like something so silly.
I'm gonna wait till they start working on it again and I'll be like,
Dude, I would come out and be like, hey, why aren't you guys opening this door all the way? Wouldn't it be easier to work on? But you can do that with both doors, you know? So, you know, still get a ton more room now. Now you're like, okay, now we can get in and out where we're not just stuck. So, one of the super Weldtech secrets right there. But yeah, no, I mean, your guys' seats look super. Oh, so these are the Explorer seats, that's why.
Right.
You're changing these
Yeah.
out though, yeah. But,
So I want you to see all these cool rides. So Lorenzo, can you go show us what you got?
absolutely, welcome to West Coast Customs. Let me show you some pretty cool rides. What do you think about this one in pink? Is that cool for you, or you want something a little bit more wild? All right, what about a spaceship on wheels? You like that? I got one better for you. Follow me. You ever seen a Ferrari, a LaFerrari? Very rare, very fast, special flagship edition Ferrari. And then this right here is something that we're building. This is a from scratch, ground up build that we're doing. And it's to replicate and take the theme of a Fiat Jolly. It's an inspired Fiat Jolly. Then we do everything, we'll go through here, we do 4x4. This is an original equipment Mercedes-Benz 4x4 squared. Kind of like all the off-road stuff you do, but this one's from the factory.
that's pretty cool, huh? That Ferrari's almost like your go-kart. So Caden races go-karts, but you think you could race the Ferrari?
Or maybe you're gonna race the Ferrari side by side.
Oh, you want to race the Ferrari? Would that be fun? Yeah.
So this is where we do our magic. We do everything from painting cars, building cars, fabricating, everything that you guys do, but we just build anything you can imagine. So this is where we paint. So I'll show you inside here. This is where we paint all the cars and we let them cure after we paint them. So This has the proper ventilation system so you don't smell all the paint, and then it heats up to the right temperature so that the paint cures properly.
If you could paint anything, Caden, what would be the first thing that you painted?
Mini door.
The Mini Dwarf, huh? We need a paint job on that, huh?
1949. Do you know what it is? Is it a lowrider? The hot rod? Should we raise it up really high and put some off-road suspension on it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't know how good that would
You
look.
like hot rods. We're building a hot rod. Yeah?
Oh, not right now.
Not right now, but we're in the process of building one.
So we'll have to kind of weave our way through here. But we do everything from old cars to new cars to all these cars. Do you have a Hot Wheels collection?
Yeah.
This is like a real Hot Wheels garage right here.
There's the hot rod.
Yep. All the cool toys back when magazines were the thing to do. So a lot of the cars are still, I mean, still here, still relevant, you know, to one way or another.
Right. It's. Yeah, here, Jay. That's that. So let me know if you need help on that Ford, though. We can totally. I can set you up with the parts that you're gonna need to do that, to make that like so much better. That way you got. What's happening? Jeremy Johnson, nice to meet you. This is Caden.
Nice to meet you.
He's been super pumped to meet you. So.
Nice. How old are you?
6.
Wow. And you're already racing?
Yep,
Nice.
and he's helping out. Yeah, here, this is his sticker. He's always in the shop, so we started this, which is Growing Up Garage, and basically we're going to teach kids how to use tools and educational stuff for YouTube and content
That's
like
cool.
that. So I feel like a lot of kids do not get that. So,
Yeah, that's awesome.
But yeah.
Where you guys located at?
In San Diego, look at you. You're gonna be all shy. We met BJ Baldwin, and he was like, "Yeah, you were telling us you were the boss." But Caden, so what is it about West Coast Customs? You've been watching all their videos. You love their videos. What is your favorite one?
The ox video.
Oh, the Ox one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a good build.
Yeah. And then we knew Ox, because we raced Baja, so then
Okay.
back when, because Dana and General
Yeah.
Tires and all of that, so then we were sponsored by General Tire also at the same time. So
Yeah, that was a bummer. He's
Yeah.
a good
fast,
dude. Yeah.
lightning.
Good
So-
dude.
But yeah, no, thanks for
Yeah,
coming
buddy.
down and taking the time.
No, all good. Thank you. Yeah,
Appreciate
thank you for driving up.
Yeah, no, definitely.
That's awesome.
If you guys have any questions when you guys go to install any of the parts, hit me up. I'll be
Okay.
happy to walk you through it. And like I said, if you guys start doing any more of these vans or buses or ambulances, I mean, that's our specialty, so we can
Yeah, that
definitely.
ambulance we should probably try to figure out next.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I was telling them. We have a whole kit for the front of that.
Okay.
So it's like no brainer, plug, play, done. Like even like steering stabilizer, everything on there. That'll just go right on and make it really easy to. And you'll be happy. You won't be cussing at it, fighting it anymore.
Yeah, cool.
It's time to get out.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
Cool.
doing right now.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, buddy. Keep up the good work.
So yeah, check out my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That's it.
Gotta check that out.
Yeah. Well, now the fun part of driving home. Well, not really the fun part about that.
I'm having fun part.
Oh, Caden's having fun.
I'm watching West Coast Customs on my dad's phone.
So even though we left West Coast Customs, we're on our way home back to San Diego. Caden's still watching West Coast Customs. A big thank you to all the guys at West Coast Customs for giving us a killer tour of the place. What did you think of it, buddy?
It was really cool. I liked the charger with the 0-1 wrap on it. It looked cool. And the hot rod.
I have to agree with what he said, some really cool cars. So hopefully we'll be working with them on some future projects coming up. So until the next video, I gotta drive now. You guys gotta get out of here. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, right, Caden?
Yup, and subscribe to Growing Up Garage.
Right there.
And hit that subscribe button on Growing Up Garage. And make sure you subscribe to my Instagram too. And they're both Growing Up Garage.
He said it all. I got nothing.
guys on the next one.